don't come outside, you might get your wig pushed back tonight. And I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. Suspect niggas don't come outside, you might get your wig pushed back tonight.
Cause I deserve my respect, and brains don't matter. But tell me what really matters when you pissed off at the world like you got a crazy bladder. And mama always said that shit don't come on silver platter. So I gather my thoughts and made use of all these synonyms, cause I could never swallow the truth like it's cinnamon. Excuse me if I'm militant to cinnamon. In my hood, Khalifa nigga quivering like goddamn, deliver him the venom in his liver is corrupting all his ligaments. Now he's at a standstill, so tell me if he'll live again. The fire in his heart still seems to be simmering. I take that little simmer and turn it to an adrenaline. Penicillin cannot stop the drive. He be giving them like mad fours, but fast forward, let's get to the part where his records could afford him a couple floors. Like Lord, ain't he gifted? Christmas just doesn't fit him. I need my own holiday, and by the way, I'm gonna possibly own Monopoly and all of Donald's property, cause I won't live in poverty.
Suspect niggas don't come outside, you might get your wig pushed back tonight. And I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. Suspect niggas don't come outside, you might get your wig pushed back tonight.
And I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. Till the day I die, I be puffin' live. Fuck the world, fucking dry. Tell them government spots, I won't cover my eyes. Won't cower, won't move, cause I don't move like a coward. Knowledge is power, and the flower of life is ours. Get as high as ours, maybe you can see the towers. Scour your dirty mind and maybe you unleash the power. We all got the potential in our body and soul. Probably you know I found mine right through the pencil, started bodying flows. But fuck that, this be the preview of Primeval with pop retrieval. I hold it legal like I'm copping so weasels to squeal. This one for my people, headed to the top, no riddle. Thinking of evil, but see no evil just because I ain't asked to be this good, they just made me better. They told me cheese at the